is the proposal in 1890, sorry, 1900. Okay, now answer A. The second one, Planck's theory was given by Max Planck. Okay, now yes. And here, third question. Who discovered and first used as a constant H equal to? It is a Planck. Okay, clear or not on the students? There is a Planck's constant. It is. Next, fourth question. Electromagnetic radiation travel through the vacuum at the speed of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. It is a light velocity. Okay, clear or not on the students? That is answer B. Fifth question. The ejected electrons from the surface of the metal, photoelectric effects are called photoelectrons. They called what? Photoelectron. That electricity, whatever produced, that is called photoelectric effects. Okay, clear or not? Photoelectricity, that is, this is the photoelectrons. Okay, please note down there are all the answers. Next, we are doing the level 1 questions.
Remaining students there?
Yeah. Next, there is we are doing the level 1 questions. Once lesson. First question, the level 1. Which of the following relates to the photons, both on a wave motion and as well as the stream of particle? We already discussed it here. There is an interference E is equal to mc square and diffraction E equal to h nu. There is both the components we are considering here. There is which of the following relates the photon both as a wave motion and as well as the stream of a particle? That is what? A Planck's law based. That is E equal to h nu. Okay, clear or not? E equal to mc square. It is the Einstein equation. Yes, that is the mass and velocity. Okay, the momentum of the particle is converted as energy. Okay, now based on that thing only, till now we are consider our universe formation. Okay, got it or not? Yeah, that is a different and as well as our Planck's diffraction, interference, the what? Wave properties. These are already we are discussing. Diffraction, because of the diffraction, what forms? Shadows are forms. Okay, because of interference, what forms? Changes of intensities of light. We are seeing the colors because of that one only. Got it or not? Suppose there is our shadow. My shadow is formed on the board. How it is possible? The light is coming from the source and it is a fall on edges of obstacle. Okay, clear or not? It is a fall at the edges here, and then after again it will be passes through it, and because of that, that part is not allow the light. Okay, that indicate the what? The shadow is indicate the part is not allow the light. Okay, the remaining part is a brighter. Once check it on the board, there is a remaining part is brighter. Where I am stand or where my hand it is there now, at that particular place shadow is a form. Okay, got it or not? Now this is the interference, diffraction, and remaining all are wave properties are only used, and this is the D equal to Eh nu. Okay, it is gives the what? Both the properties of wave and as well as the particle. Next, come to the second one. Yes, photoelectrons are emitted from the metallic surface only when the incident light has a more than that certain minimum, okay, na, speed, wavelength, frequency, and intensity. There is a frequency required. Okay, clear or not? Minimum frequency is there. At that time only it will be moves. Why? Because W is equal to H naught, HQ naught. Okay, now it is called what actually? Threshold frequency. It is called what? Threshold frequency. What is the threshold frequency? Okay, now this nu is not called threshold frequency. Yes, this frequency is utilized the what? Utilized the yes, the taken the electron out from the metal surface. How? There is a frequency is nothing but number of oscillations per second. Okay, it made oscillation like this. Okay, now yes, when our frequency is touch with that, okay, it will be came out when we make a like of vibrations and particular vibrations which is produced by our threshold frequency, it will may come out from the metal surface. Got it or not? This is only about the threshold frequency. W is equal to H nu naught. Third one. What is the numerical value of H? You know very well what is the numerical value of H. There is both are given here. You know very well 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule seconds. Okay, now it is in a what? In case system. Okay, now 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 27 H second. It is for what? It is for CGA system. Got it or not? Okay, clear or not? 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 H. Okay, clear or not? Based on that thing only we are consider. Yes, here erg second it is, joule second it is. Okay, now yes, H and all are joule second. That is only both are correct only. A and B, answer is C, and this answer is C. Fourth one. The energy of a photon of a light was as what kind of proportionality? What kind of proportionality? It's a frequency and it's a wavelength. Okay, one second. This formula is important so many times. I'm given to E equal to H nu, or it is also written as C by lambda. E is directly proportional to nu. When we are replaced it, there is when we remove this H, it will become as directly proportional to nu. It is written as the H and C both are what? Constants only. It is a Planck constant. It is a light velocity. The not changes. That's why E is inversely proportional to lambda. Okay, clear or not? Frequency directly proportional, wavelength inversely proportional. Yes, directly, inversely. That is the answer is D. This is directly proportional. This is the inversely proportional. The answer is D. Next to come to the level 1/5 question. Which of the following is represented by V here? Okay, now yes, the V is nothing but actually velocity V dash or V only. Okay, V is nothing but velocity. It is okay. Simply wavelength is represented by lambda, frequency is represented by nu, and here velocity is represented by V. Wave number is represented by reciprocal of the wave number, reciprocal of the wavelength. Okay, that is only become as a wave number. Wave number is represented by V dash. Okay, clear or not? That's why there it is a velocity only. That is answer is C. Next, the level 2 questions all the students listen carefully. What is the level 2 questions are there? All are synopsis based questions only. No problems are given here. Okay. Yes, one second. Level 2 questions. Photons. Photons. The meaning of photon is what actually? Yes, possess small but a significant mass, move at a speed of a proportional to their frequencies, lack momentum, are localized in a small region in a space. Okay, which one is the correct? Move at a speed proportional to their frequencies. Okay, E equal to H nu. Okay, we written as there is a whatever the speed it is there, half mv square is equal to directly proportional to the frequency here. Okay, clear or not? How we written it is? Yeah, first thing is E equal to we written as H nu. Okay, clear or not? E equal to h nu written. E is directly proportional to nu. Actually, E is written as half mv square directly proportional to nu. V is somewhat. V square is directly proportional to nu. Then V is also become as directly proportional to nu or not. In this way, we written as answer is B. Okay, next second one. Whatever the remaining things, one second, possible small but significant of mass. They not a container. We not say it exactly contain a mass. Okay, they are oscillated with the changing of the particle energies. That's it. Energies only contain mass, may not contain or not. Lack of momentum. The momentum is not discussed here, and as well as are localized in a small region of space. No, it is moving throughout the space. Okay, not localized in a particular place purpose only. Got it or not? Yes, there is. We are consider it is as we got question number 7 now. What color light will produce a photoelectron with the highest average kinetic energy? Okay, now yesterday we already taken like this problems here. Okay, now yes, there is what we consider here. What color light produces photoelectron with the highest average kinetic energy? Yes, we have to know what is the relation is there between a wavelength and as well as the yes kinetic energy. Yes, yesterday's problem. One second. Yes. Half mv square is directly proportional to yes half mv square is equal to what they consider work function. Okay, clear or not? Yes, half mv square it is equal to taken as what h nu. Yeah, one second. Here E equal to whatever our photoelectric effect says for us. Yes, half mv square plus 5 work function. Got it or not? Here the energy is equal to also written as okay na E half mv square. It is also written as h nu is equal to half mv square. The same thing here we consider. Okay, got it or not? Now here v square is equal to 2h nu by what m. Okay, clear or not? V square is equal to under root of 2h nu by m. Here V is equal to taken as what? V is equal to taken as this is all are constant under root nu. Okay, V is equal to what? Under root nu. Indirectly, the velocity is directly proportional. We already know very well. V equal to nu lambda. Okay, clear or not? Yes, in case lambda is a constant or otherwise there is a V is directly proportional to V is also written as okay na yes nu is also written as V by lambda. Okay, clear or not? And here then it will be become what V is directly proportional to V whole to the power of 1 by 2 means what it is yes inversely proportional indirectly we are consider it is. Got it or not? For a frequency it is directly proportional to lambda. Yes, in case there is a lambda is the greater the velocity is also greater only. Got it or not? Lambda is a greater velocity is also greater only. That is why here it is also written as yes velocity is inversely proportional to s what frequency it is directly proportional to lambda, which is a contain more lambda value. Red color is a contain more lambda value. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is why the velocity is the greater for which color? Red color. Answer is A. Okay, lambda greater for red color. Then what is the answer? A. Seventh answer is A. Okay, the relation you have to know. This relation, based on this relation, we have to write. Yes, next. Please note down up to here. Level 1 questions. Level 2 questions. Yeah, there is a eighth question. One second. Important one. A clean surface of metal will emit the electron when exposed to light. That is the photoelectric effect is occur. They said. Yes, if the color of the light is changed from red to the blue without changing the intensity, the number of the ejected electrons will also increases. Sorry, that not number it is. Yes, which one is increases here? The maximum kinetic energy is increases, number is increases, mass is increases, charge is increases. The mass is not increases, charge is not increases. The confusion is about number and as well as the maximum kinetic energy. When there is a number of electrons are increases, when the intensity of light is increases, number of electrons are may increases. Okay, now this just there is a color is a changes. What is the changes? Velocity is the changes. Okay, the just kinetic energy is only changes. The answer is become kinetic energy. Yes, there is a A. It is answer. Next ninth one. X-rays were first discovered in 1895 prior to the Planck's concept of quanta. Yes, demonstrate the phenomena of electron energy, kinetic energy being transferred into photon energy. Yes, are extremely penetrating from the radiation. Okay, clear or not? About X-ray, there is we not have. Yeah, all are the things are same correct only here. Why? Because X-rays, belonging X-rays, all the this whatever the assumptions are given here is correct only. Were the first discovered in 1895. Röntgen is discovered X-rays prior the Planck's only. Okay, and demonstrate the phenomena of electron kinetic energy being transformed into photon energy. Actually, you know very well how the X-rays are produced. When we are sending electrons into the one particular metal plate, a fast moving electrons are sent onto the any particular metal plate, the loss is the kinetic energy. Electrons are the loss is the kinetic energy. Okay, the loss kinetic energy means somewhat it is a produces. That is only somewhat radiation. That is called X-rays. Yes, got it or not? It is a one type of electron effect only. Okay, that is why it is also correct only. And extremely penetrating from the radiation. In the part of a radiation, X-rays is also one of the thing. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is why it is also correct only. These all are properties of X-ray. They not belonging to our lesson, but a common knowledge which is coming from our photoelectric effect only. Got it or not? Yes, that is why the ninth one answer is D. 10th one answer. Which of the following statement is correct about a wave number? It is the distance traveled by a wave in a 1 second. No, it is not a correct. Yes, it is defined as the wave, number of the wavelength per unit length. It is defined as the number of waves which passes through the particular point in a 1 second. It is defined as distance between a neighboring thrust and trough of the wave. No, it is defined as the number of wavelength per unit length. Okay, clear or not? 1 by lambda. Okay, wave number is equal to written as 1 by lambda. It is not a number of waves which is passes through the particular point in 1 second. Okay, that is the inside in the terms of frequency it is actually. Okay, clear or not? The answer is a B. Okay, 10th answer is a B. Wave number. It is written as lambda dash. That is equal to written as 1 by lambda. Okay, clear or not? Reciprocal of wavelength. Okay, clear or not? Yes. And next one it is level 3 questions. find the energy of the photon that corresponds to the light energy at a 3 into 10 to the power of 6 hertz. Here they given what frequency given nu is equal to taken as 3 into 10 to the power of 6 hertz, and we have to require the energy of that h nu. Okay, got it or not? Now it is also written as h is equal to what 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Now E is equal to taken as 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into what is the new value 3 into 10 to the power of 6 hertz. Got it or not? Now E is equal to taken as E is equal to what we get for us 6.625 into 10 to the power of 6 they given now. Now there it is also written as somewhat 19.7. Okay, get here 19.7 into 10 to the power of minus 37 into 10 to the power of 6 maybe. Okay, it will become what E is equal to take 34. Sorry. Yes, it become what actually 1.90.7 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Yes, 8 here. Yes, 8 down. And E is equal to taken as 1.97 into 10 to the power of minus 27 joules. Okay, clear or not? Yes, I hope you got it. Nearby answer, that is the A. 11th answer is A. You have to take it as 19.8, no problem. Got it? I hope you got it here. And next 12th question, answer is Max Planck proposed the light consists of photons, develop a theory, explain the absorption of light by so-called black bodies. Yes, suggest that explain the spectrum emitted a hot object, the energy could be to be of a quanta and of our unit of energy. Linked energy of a photon with amplitude using Maxwell equation. Yes, a proposed light consists of photons. Simple thing. Okay, now he is given only photon theory. The remaining is not explained by him. That is the 12th one is the A answer. 13th one, Planck's constant. Yes, remains unknown to this day. Is a universe of Einstein constant is used to find the quantum energy associated with a certain frequency of light. It is not a really constant since it varies from one part to the universe to the another. Okay, it is not. The C is the answer. Okay, answer is C. The remaining all are correct only, are not wrong, not correct. That is the wrong. Yes, the 14th one. Which of the following is not a characteristic of Planck quantum theory of radiation? Energy is not observed or emitted a whole number multiple of a quantum number. Radiation is associated with energy. Radiation is associated with energy emitted observed continuously, but in the form of a small packets called quanta. Everything is correct only. The magnitude of energy associated with quantum number is a proportional to the frequency. Yeah, it is all the B, C, D correct only. Energy is not observed or emitted in a whole number multiple of quantum number. Yeah, it is observed and emitted whole number complete multiples only. Okay, they said not. It is not correct actually. The answer A, which is not correct. A. 14th one answer A. Next to 15th one. What is the wavelength of a photon? That energy is equal to 5.25 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. We have to find out the wavelength for it. 15th question. One second, that answer. E is equal to what? H nu here. And here it is also written as E is equal to Hc by lambda. The required what? Wavelength is required. Lambda is required for us. Na? The wavelength is required. The lambda is equal to also written as Hc by E. Okay, written or what it is? Now H is what? H is equal to taken as 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34. And C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8. And E they given. What they given E value? E value is equal to given as 5.25 into 10 to the power of minus 90. These all the values are substituted in this equation. You get the lambda value. I hope you write it. It is already completed now. Lambda is equal to taken as what? 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 5.25 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, clear or not? Now, the mathematically you have to solve it. Okay, 3 into somewhat 19.8 into 10 to the power of minus 34 plus 8. Okay, now minus 34 plus 8. Into 19. Okay, now yes, it is a 27. May have to write 19.8 by 5.25 into 10 to the power of it is a 8 plus 19 27. It is become minus 7. In the order of minus 7, that is only one answer is there. Yes, it is equal to become what? 3.79 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Why? Because 5 4 the 20. Nearby it is now. That is why it is 3.79 into 10 to the power of minus 17. The answer is what for the 15th one also? D1. Please note down these all answers. Now the students remaining also simple things only. There is IITG advanced questions purpose. Okay, now once look at that assertion and reasoning based. All the synopsis based questions are only there. Yesterday we already discussed that whatever the equations are there. Okay, second question, third question, and fourth question. The formulas are given here. You have to substitute in that. They given a work function and as well as the wavelength and they given these two things, and we have to find out the kinetic energy of the fastest electron. Half in v square we have to find out. Okay, and the simple things only there. Next one is the threshold wavelength they given, and we have to require to find out work function. Okay, all the things are depending on the photoelectric effect is only there. Okay, once you are copy this, tomorrow we'll go with the what remaining question answers, and we are going to start next lesson also metals and non-metals. Okay, yeah. Thank you, students.